Okay guys, HD here. So this video I didn't make a intro for it because I was running late and the customer needed to get it done, so I just jumped right into the work and I got it done. So we did an AC install on a race car, Honda. So it put a engine swap and we had to reroute the AC lines and we got it done. It was successful, and you'll see everything in this video, but I'm just making an intro explaining everything to you guys, what we did and we got it done. And at the end you'll see his review about it. Thank you guys for supporting me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also comment. Alright, thank you. So that's 10. The 45 is, I didn't bring any 90s. We didn't have 90s. Oh yeah, I did. We got lucky. The 45 is kicked out too much. That's your 90 right there. I don't know where the 90 is gonna work, but the 90 will go all the way down. If you run the 90, it will stay away from the belt.
Now when I run to here, look, you see my hand here?
Yeah, so we're good
When I
then.
run into
Yeah.
here, I don't want to pull over here. I
Yeah.
stay with the belt.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I pull from here.
So the 90 is good.
Yeah. You can pull up the line like that?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, go.
The 90 I can put the bend so it goes
Oh, okay.
like that. This is the number 645. Is that rain? If I do the 645, it will line up with the 90. So both of them can come around.
Yeah.
You gotta stand up and fight. Got to stand up. Don't say you down. You gotta stand up and fight. Oh, you got to stand up. You gotta stand up and fight. Got to stand up. Don't say you down. You gotta stand up and fight. Oh, you got to stand
up. It's all done. These two. This one right here is two different fittings. So that's the 8 and that's the 10. We put it on 10 holes. And this is two different fittings also. 10 and an 8. Yep. That's it.